need somewhere. Oh, I'm sorry. Dad! Dad!
Don't worry. I'm here, son. Been gone a long time, I know, but I brought a little something to make it up for you. The new, right out of the box, Big Boy Chicken Straws.
Huh? Where were you all these years?
Well, I think you're a little thirsty. I don't think. Here, let me show you how it works. First, you start with your patented Big Boy straw, chicken already included. And you take it, take your chicken meal, new from Big Boy Chains Incorporated. Ooh, look how tender this chicken is, it's just coming right off the bone. You rub your straw really good with it. Return the chicken to the box for later consumption and use your new chicken-filled, chicken-flavored straw on your Big Boy specialty drink. Look, it floats. Haha, how cool is that? And now for the topping.
No. You get that away from me. We're done.
You haven't had your dinner yet, son. I think you're a little hungry.
You know what? I'm tired of...
Take another drink. Suck it down. Delicious. Looks like you need a rest. Why don't you sit down?
Tired of your fucking shit. Do you hear me? Did you know?
Eat your dinner first and then we'll talk. Suck it down. You gotta swallow it, son. You gotta, hey, you're not done. You gotta drink the whole thing.
You know why I left you, son? Because you're weak. You aren't ready to inherit the company. I won't let you come back into my house and use me back. Your own father. Why would you do this? I've always hated you. All these years. It's over, Dad. All these years I've been looking after you, making sure the welfare came. It's over, Dad. I have the high ground. You'll never be my big boy. Never!
Strange. Thought I turned the TV off when I left.
If you don't believe him, believe me. Big Boy Chicken Straws changed my... Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Get out of my house!
Your father always belonged to Big Boy.
Big Boy burger bites? Fucking